champion sound. Yeah, Estelle, we about to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now?
Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This one's a bit quicker than expected, but it's a short one about Morse code. Now, for people that don't know, Morse code is a language like English or French, but instead of letters and numbers, Morse code uses dots and dashes. Now, the reason why Morse code was invented was because during the early era of telecommunications, normal languages were too complex to be sent over as a means of communication. So I guess they had to invent a simpler language which could be easily transferable over whatever technology they had at the time, and Morse code was that solution. Because of its simplicity, Morse code can be signaled using light or sound. Anyway, in terms of how I made it, I started off by creating a C++ script in Visual Studios. Then I created a string variable which would remember whatever I typed in. From there, I created a series of switch statements which would output a series of dots and dashes depending on whatever character it reads. Now, keep in mind, I simplified my program by only having it work with lowercase letters. Now, with the program working better than I expected, I could have ended it here and called it a day, but I had an epiphany. Why not make it real?